Hey there, Escambia County teachers, and welcome to a Byte of Tech with the Student Data Systems team. Today, we're talking about the grading scale and the function of I. So let's jump in and get started. From your grade book, if you look to the right of the filter button, you may see a grade legend. If you don't, navigate to your settings in the top right-hand corner and look under General. You'll see a checkbox next to Grading Legend. Choose it and then click Save. You'll now be able to see your grading legend for reference at any point in time. If you hover over it, you'll see your 10-point scale, or you would see your letter grades if your school uses letter grades only. You'll also see an I for incomplete. You'll see absences, both unexcused and excused, an EX for exempt, and an M for makeup. Now in your gradebook, you're not going to use an I for assignments that are incomplete or missing. Choose the M as your placeholder for makeup grades. As students complete their work, you can change this at any time. Now for grade posting, go to Post Final Grades, and on the Final Grade screen, you can either use your gradebook grades, or if you have students who are missing work and have an incomplete, this is where you'll choose an I. So in the drop-down menu, click I and then click Save. Now this is a reminder that the I functions as a true incomplete and is used for grade posting only. If a student is able to turn in makeup work before the grade posting window closes, you can change their grade here. Otherwise, you'll need to submit that grade change request. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out some other recommended videos that are here on the side. And that is a Byte of Tech.